Hello friends, your friend GM is here to share more about English literature. Hope you are fine. Stay blessed. Today we shall discuss something to talk about. Ernest Hemingway. You are watching the slide. Let's start our video from the second slide. The video is very short. Ernest Miller Hemingway, his full name, was an American journalist, novelist, short story writer, and sportsman. His economical and understated style, which he termed the iceberg theory, had a strong influence on 20th century fiction, while his adventurous lifestyle, his public image, brought in admiration from later generations. He was born on July 21, 1899, Oak Park, Illinois, United States. Died July 2, 1961, Ketchum, Ohio, United States. Spouse, the first spouse, Mary Wallace Hemingway, 1946 to 1961. Short story, the most famous short story, Hill Like White Elephant. Ernest Hemingway, Robert Jordan, the hero of the novel for whom the bell tolls, is an American volunteer in the Spanish Civil War. Jordan fights against the fascists led by Franco. Jordan undertakes to blow up the bridge in the Guadarrama mountain. In the execution of his plan, Jordan plants dynamites and hand grenades on the bridge with the help of Selma. What happened to the Jordan in the end of the novels? Jordan is hurt, that's why he cannot escape, but he is happy to accomplish his talk. Thanks to watch the video. Please stay connected to get more update about English literature. Goodbye.